We'll move on to our next presentation from Ramya about heart. Please come onto the stage.
Hello everyone, this is Ramya, studying in 2nd standard in Shishanti Niketan English Medium School. I will explain about heart. Heart is an organ which beats continuously to help for the transport of blood. The heart is located in the chest cavity, which its lower tip totally towards the left. The heart is four chambers. The upper chambers are called atria and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. The heart beats 8 per minute 72 times. The main function of heart blood purification. Purified blood carried to all organs. Thank you everyone.
Wonderful explanation for you, Ramya. Join your hands for him.